When you started your business, how many of you thought, I'm going to have the most decidedly average, mediocre business? No, we're entrepreneurs. You all are visionaries. You had a dream. But what if you're the world's best kept secret? How can you change the world if nobody knows about you?
Dana looks lovely person, right? Now imagine you Google it and you see this. What does that make you all think? Credibility. Absolutely. It instantly gives her authority. It instantly gives her credibility.
Because here's the problem. We live in a crazy, noisy world, right? This life is like Times Square. Look at this statistic from Forbes. 4,000 to 10,000 ads a day we're exposed to. That's a lot, right? So we've got to find a way to stand out, and that's where the media piece really comes in.
So there's 3 steps to the process. You want to be newsworthy, you want to create great hooks, and you want to find the right journalist. And when you have all 3 of those in place, you'll be light years ahead of your competition. And here's the deal. Everybody here and everybody watching can do this because you all have that gift, that unique message, that unique thing that you do. And those are the kinds of stories you're going to pitch the media.